Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, in 3 situations, if you pray dua, it will definitely be accepted. First one is when your body starts shaking. Number 2, when you got fear in your heart. Number 3, when you got tears in your eyes.